Okay, so here we are. We're going to do a sharpness test on one of my hand-forged chef's knives here. And the thing that everybody seems to do is they seem to take pieces of paper and they seem to want to cut pieces of paper up with a knife. But how many people actually cut up pieces of paper in the kitchen? Not many people. What do you cut up that's hard? You cut up a carrot, right? You cut up a carrot and you want to know that it can cut through a carrot pretty easily because that's a pretty hard vegetable. So that's how sharp these knives are. That's how sharp they're going to be when you get them, if you buy one. So this is the hand-forged, forged finish knife that's currently for sale on the Etsy site. Know that you're buying a very high quality carbon steel blade here. Thank you. So here we are. I've got another kitchen knife that's for sale on my Etsy store right now. This is approximately a 7 3/4 inch cutting edge high carbon steel knife. And I just want to demonstrate the sharpness to you. And it seems like everybody is doing this these days. They're cutting up paper to show how sharp their knife is, and they're taking a piece of loose paper and they're eviscerating this paper, and they're showing how sharp the knife is. But how many people cut up paper in the kitchen? Nobody. What's one of the hard things you cut up in a kitchen is you cut up a carrot, So most people want to know, is it going to be able to cut through a carrot? And yes, these knives are extremely sharp. They're extremely well made, and they can be yours. They are for sale on the Etsy store. Thank you.